Hey, what's up? This is Jonas, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your domain with Mailsniper. So if you don't have a domain, go ahead and watch the last video where I showed you how to set up your domain, right? If you're watching this video, you probably already have a domain, and this video will show you how to connect it to Mailsniper. So once you're on the dashboard of Mailsniper, you're going to want to go to the little gear icon right here, and we're going to click on sending emails. Then we're going to click on add new sending email, and this is where you enter in your custom email address. Again, this cannot be a Gmail, this cannot be a Yahoo. I mean, I guess it could be, but it will make your emails go to the spam folder. So that's why it's important to have your custom domain, which is why I made that last video on how to get that set up. So that's important. So once you have your domain and custom email address, you're going to enter that in right here, like so. And then you click on add. And here it shows you that you want to add a CNAME record in order to track your open rates, click-through rates, and other analytics stuff like that. So in order to do this, all you have to do is follow the instructions. It says go to your hosting provider and add a CNAME record. The hostname should be track.yourdomain.com. The value should be mailhostprovider.com, and then wait a few minutes because it has to propagate. So if you're using a hosting solution, which I do recommend, I'm going to show you how you would do that. And if you are using the domain register as a parked domain, then I'm also going to show you how to do that. But let's go with the hosting solution for now. Again, they say go to your hosting provider and add a CNAME record. So the way you would want to do this is go to your hosting provider. If you're using SiteGround, as I recommend, you would go to SiteGround, click on My Accounts. Again, if you're using another hosting solution, you would just go to the cPanel of whatever hosting you're using. In this case, I'm using SiteGround, so I'm going to click on Go to cPanel, this orange button. And I'm going to find my domain. The way I'm going to do this is I'm going to look for Advanced DNS Zone Editor right here. Sometimes it's called Zone Editor. Most of the times it's called Advanced DNS Zone Editor. So look around in your cPanel, find the Advanced DNS Zone Editor, and if there's nothing called Advanced DNS Zone Editor, then just find the regular Zone Editor. Okay, I'm gonna click on this, and then I'm gonna select my domain. In this case, it's Marketing with Jonas, and here's the records for my domain. Now, let me just have a look, because I think, let me see. Okay, so the track is available. So what I would do right now is go back to Mailsniper, and it says that the host name should be this. It says add a CNAME record. So we go to hosting and we click on this type and we click on CNAME, and then we go back and we copy this like so, and then we go back to hosting and we enter in this value under name. Then there's this thing called TTL. Sometimes you have to enter this yourself, sometimes it's automatic. If it's automatic, just leave it at automatic. If you have to enter it in yourself, I would go with, let me just have a look here. I would go with 600, okay, 600. It can be more, it can be less. This basically means how many seconds, like time to live, time to live, how many seconds it takes to update. So if you have a good hosting solution like SiteGround, you can have the value be less. If you have like HostGator, which isn't that good, you need to put it at 14,400 or something like that. In other words, just put it at automatic or enter in a value like 600 or something like that. It doesn't matter too much. If you are not sure, you can always contact your hosting provider and ask support what they recommend. With that being said, last thing we need to do is copy this one, the value, which is mailhostprovider.com, and go back to hosting and copy paste that in here, and then we will click add on record. Now I'm not gonna do this for this tutorial because I already have it set up in a different way, but that's how you would do it. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. Then once you have clicked on add record, you will click on this check DNS records, and now it says no CNAME found, but if you add the record, it will say that the CNAME has successfully been found, and this right here that says not verified will show a green box that says verified, and then you know you're good to go. Okay, so apart from that, you also want to verify your email by clicking on the link that they have sent. So you would go to your inbox, find the email. I don't see it right now, but all that is email confirmation, and then you would click on this link to have it verified. And that's all you got to do. Add your domain, verify your email, add this record, the CNAME record, in order to be able to track your open rates and click-through rates. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to add 3 other records, which is important in order to verify your domain as a sender to all the other email clients like Google, Gmail, Yahoo, and all the other ESPs, email service providers. And so we're going to dive into that in the next video. For this video, go ahead and add your domain, verify it, add the CNAME, and you're good to go. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.